Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on how to get longer responses in Chatgpt. If you are looking to improve the quality and length of the responses generated by Chatgpt, you've come to the right place. So let's dive in, or stay tuned and I'll show you the steps to follow. Navigate to the Chatgpt website at openai.com. Once you are on the home page, you will see the Try Chatgpt button on the left corner of the screen. Click on it. You will be redirected to the login page. Here to sign in, you need to click on the login button. You will need also to enter your registered email address or username and password and press continue button to log in. Step 1. Provide sufficient text. The first step to get longer responses from ChatGPT is to provide sufficient context in your prompt. This helps ChatGPT understand what you are asking and generates a more relevant and detailed response. For example, instead of asking, "What do you think of pizza?" try asking, "What are the nutritional benefits of eating pizza?" Step 2. Use open-ended questions. Open-ended questions encourage ChatGPT to provide more detailed responses. Instead of asking closed-ended questions like, "Do you like chocolate?" try asking open-ended questions like, "What are your thoughts on the taste and texture of chocolate?" Step 3. Use multi-turn conversation. Another way to get longer responses from ChatGPT is to use multi-turn conversation. This involves asking follow-up questions based on the response provided by ChatGPT. For example, if ChatGPT responds with, "I love pizza," you could follow up with, "What toppings do you prefer on your pizza?" Step 4. Experiment with the length of the prompt. Finally, experiment with the length of the prompt because sometimes longer prompts can lead to longer and more detailed responses from ChatGPT. Try adding more context or information to your prompt and see if that improves the length and quality of the response. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to get longer responses in ChatGPT. I hope you found these steps helpful and that they will lead you to more satisfying conversations with ChatGPT.